World's Top 10 Biggest Bulldozers 2024. Welcome to heavy metal machinery. Large construction and mining projects pose challenges, requiring robust and reliable equipment. Bulldozers stand out as the ultimate choice for such tasks due to their immense size and power. These colossal machines excel in navigating challenging terrains, effortlessly moving tons of dirt and materials. Specifically designed for digging, leveling, and excavating. Bulldozers perform better as they get larger. Among them, big crawler dozers prove to be the most efficient, capable of handling substantial materials with ease. To unveil the world's most potent bulldozer, we scrutinize dimensions, engine power, and weights, leading us to an astounding machine featured in today's video with the top 10 biggest bulldozers globally. Number 10. John Deere 1050K. The John Deere 1050K is a tough and versatile machine designed for challenging job sites. This massive dozer, weighing 43.2 tons, is built to withstand rough conditions, ensuring durability and reliability. With an innovative suspension system, it absorbs bumps, providing a smoother ride. What sets the 1050K apart is its powerful transmission, allowing it to handle heavier workloads than previous models. John Deere's new transmission design facilitates efficient material pushing through turns, enabling increased speed and enhanced productivity. Moreover, it reduces cab vibrations by up to 75%, ensuring operators can work comfortably at higher speeds. The dozer's cutting-edge mechanical angle blade, inspired by pipeline applications, boasts a 9.5 cubic meters capacity. This feature makes the John Deere 1050K the ideal choice for demanding tasks on pipeline rights-of-way. Whether you're dealing with rough terrains or intricate projects, the John Deere 1050K proves to be a versatile and powerful solution for all your construction needs. Number 9. Dressta TD-40. The TD-40 is the biggest and heaviest bulldozer globally. Made by Dressta, it packs a punch with its 515 horsepower and weighs a whopping 67.7 tons. If you have a super tough job, this crawler dozer's high drawbar pull has got you covered. The Dressta TD-40 isn't just big, it's tough too. It's designed to handle harsh conditions like those found in coal mines or construction sites. This machine is a powerhouse, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Let's dive into its features. The optimized weight distribution, modular construction, one-piece main frame, 2-speed steering drive, and 3-point track mounting system make it stand out. The TD-40 has a stellar performance history. Its semi-U blade design combines the benefits of straight blades and short wings, and the adjustable parallelogram multi-shank ripper helps tackle even the toughest materials. The high-quality tracks are built to withstand challenging working conditions, making the Dressta TD-40 a durable giant in its class. Number 8. Caterpillar D10T2. The Caterpillar D10T2 is a really powerful machine. It was made with a lot of memories and big dreams. The engineers at Caterpillar wanted it to be even bigger and stronger than what other companies were making back then. They also aimed to outdo its older version, the Caterpillar D9. Since its debut, Caterpillar has kept improving this model, but it still does incredible things. The Caterpillar D10T2 is just right for really tough jobs, especially on construction sites and in mines. It's the machine everyone hoped for. This 70.17-ton machine can handle any task. With its 766 horsepower engine and a blade that can hold 18.5 cubic meters, this cat dozer is a reliable machine that can deal with all sorts of materials. even the trickiest ones. Number 7. Chetra T40. The Chetra T40 serial bulldozers made by the Concern Tractor Plants Company are top-notch Russian machines ideal for gold and coal mining. They're versatile and can be used for tasks like clearing land, digging foundations, and building dikes. These bulldozers are equipped with a powerful 660 horsepower engine, making them suitable for various conditions. With a massive 21-meter wide blade, the T40 is designed for large-scale projects. Its blend of a robust Russian undercarriage and hydraulic components from European and American suppliers ensures quick, efficient, and safe operation. The T40 stands out in Chetra's bulldozer lineup, boasting fingertip control and a new hydrostatic transmission. This feature makes operating the dozer easier, eliminating the need for physical strength. This advancement is particularly significant for women, as they can now effortlessly manage bulldozer tasks. Number 6. Liebherr PR776 Litronic. The 776 Litronic is a super strong bulldozer known as one of the most powerful in the world. It's versatile and can be used in various tasks. Weighing 73.18 tons, it has a mighty engine, offering high penetration forces and excellent grading abilities. Perfect for heavy-duty work that demands top-notch productivity. The Liebherr PR776 Litronic boasts a robust 768 horsepower diesel engine specially designed for challenging mining and extraction environments. This giant dozer features a massive blade positioned close to the main frame, allowing it to dig into the ground with maximum force and scoop up to 18.5 cubic meters of material at once. The blade's design not only ensures impressive performance on self-bonding materials but also excels in pushing heavy rocks with high fill levels. Number 5. Shantui SD90. This is the biggest bulldozer ever made in China. It's really huge, measuring 37.7 feet long and 14.7 feet tall. It's super heavy too, weighing a whopping 106 tons. The blade in front is enormous, over 19 feet wide, with a capacity of 1,337 cubic feet. That's a lot. The bulldozer is powered by a super strong 900 horsepower engine, and it can move at a speed of 6.2 miles per hour. That's pretty fast for something so big. It has a big fuel tank, holding 430 gallons of fuel, and a cool system that monitors things in real time. So, this bulldozer is not just big and powerful but also super advanced with all these cool features. Number 4. Komatsu D475A-8. The Komatsu D475A-8 is a huge bulldozer made by Komatsu, a major Japanese company known for producing large bulldozers. Released in 2020, it's one of the most powerful dozers globally, weighing over 112 tons and boasting 1040 horsepower engine power. This dozer stands out as one of the world's largest production models, measuring 11.3 meters in length with a 34.4 meter wide blade. Its impressive size makes it perfect for heavy-duty civil works on a large scale. What sets this dozer apart is its excellent productivity and a unique feature, a hydraulically driven radiator fan that ensures optimal RPM while keeping noise to a minimum. Additionally, the Komatsu D475A-8 is a superior crawler dozer, offering efficiency during long pushes, thanks to its electronically controlled transmission and automatic torque converter lockup system. Number 3. Caterpillar D11T CD. The D11T CD is a really tough machine. It's made to last a long time because its design includes durability. Caterpillar, the American company that makes it, says this big crawler dozer is not only lightweight but also powerful and durable. It has a super strong frame that can handle tough jobs like dozing and ripping. This dozer has a 695 kilowatt engine, which is equal to 913 horsepower. The blade it uses is made of strong steel and can hold up to 43.6 cubic meters. That's a lot. Because of its design, it can handle strong impacts and twists during tough tasks. It's common for this dozer to get a rebuilt frame because of its strength. What makes it special is a feature called a torque divider. This protects the powertrain from heavy impacts and vibrations. Number 2. Komatsu D575A-3 SD. The Komatsu D575A-3 SD is an incredibly powerful bulldozer, weighing a whopping 152.6 tons and boasting an engine power of 1150 horsepower. To tackle noise and vibration, clever engineers decided to mount it on rubber cushions. This mighty machine is versatile, handling tasks like obstacle removal, clearing forest paths, and leveling ground with ease. Despite its impressive capabilities, there's a catch: it needs to be disassembled into 8 loads for transportation. Equipped with a special blade capable of holding 69 cubic meters of dirt, the Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer stands out for its fuel efficiency and substantial weight. It's a favored choice among mining and construction companies, thanks to its reliable Komatsu engine and smart design. Whether on a construction site or in the mines, this heavy-duty bulldozer proves its worth with every task it takes on. Number 1. ACCO Super Bulldozer. The world's biggest bulldozer, with its impressive 183-ton weight and 12-meter length, has a fascinating story. Surprisingly, this colossal machine, admired globally even 4 decades after its construction, has never moved a cubic meter of material. The ACCO Super Bulldozer was built in northern Italy by the Umberto ACCO company for export to Libya in the early 1980s. However, due to trade embargo restrictions imposed by the United States in 1986, the dozer was never shipped and remained in storage, comprising mainly Caterpillar parts. This giant features a blade larger than any Caterpillar has ever made, measuring 7 meters wide and 2.7 meters high. The Ripper, standing at about 3 meters tall, is operated by massive hydraulic rams. This beast requires 2 horizontally opposed 675 horsepower engines, totaling 1350 horsepower. Undoubtedly, the ACCO Super Bulldozer is an extraordinary machine, showcasing incredible strength and engineering prowess. Big and strong machines are super important for any construction job, especially when you need to dig. They help with moving, clearing, and taking the dirt to a safe spot. Whether you're digging or lifting really heavy stuff, these huge machines can get the job done right. If you want to know more about construction and machinery, check out our video on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to Heavy Metal Machinery for more interesting content.